my child's a hands-on learner. So then, of course, we have to do everything hands-on. But is that really the case?
Yeah. So hands-on, you think touching, I have to manipulate what I have, right? And that is a huge part of learning. I mean, that we learn best by doing, most of us, right?
Right. Yep.
But, also when it comes to, translating the manipulatives online, there's resources that are free for parents in the Google Suite called Jamboard. And Jamboard's like a slideshow where you can actually put moving pieces, like moving sticky notes. So students, your child can sort words out. Your child can manipulate words around. It's a very easy tool to use, which I also go through, which I also help my parents with as well. And so manipulatives, I understand, right? I get it. You want to have something in your hand.
Right.
But when it comes to virtual learning or online learning, there are those programs which can give some more of that interactiveness.
Yeah. I've seen parents sharing lots of apps too for various things. That, of course, the kids are sliding their finger around on the screen, and that is almost a hands-on, or being able to write with their finger, which is easier than holding a pencil. For starting readers or writers, and so yeah, it's not all bad.
It's not all bad. It isn't. And with my younger students who are trying to learn their letters and their letter sounds, there is actually a little pack that I have my families get, and it comes with a dry erase board, and it has the ABC the way I've been trained in it. It's called Wilson, and I've been trained in it. It's a research-based reading phonics curriculum.
Okay.
And so it'll have like the board with like the skyline, the plane line, the grass line, and the worm line to teach where the letters go, how they're formed.
Yep.
Yes, and it's very methodical. So that translates really well for me teaching letters and sounds and blending words, because they have their little dry erase board there. I do the same thing on the screen, right?
Yes.
So we have like the same manipulatives, and they get such a kick out of it. The kids love it.
That's cool. Yeah, I tutored a young man down the street, and of course, before COVID started, we were doing it in person, and I even had a whiteboard his mom bought for me, because he did the work better on there than the worksheets are just so tiny, and filling in those spots, and he had some writing issues, and so it was just easier, and then we could just erase it, and then we got to the point where we started competing, and when we were online, we did the same thing. Is that he'd tell me the math problem, the next one on there, and then I'd work out the answer, and then he'd work it out, and we'd see if we had the same answer. So that was kind of fun too, as just a way to play a game and make it more fun. But there's just a lot of ways you can teach online, and that are very engaging. And
exactly. It's not just plopping your kid in front of a screen all day and hoping for the best.
Right. Exactly.